Hello everyone, welcome once again to Best Recipes with Sharon. This recipe today is for a gluten-free version of oat cakes, and because the last video was for Scottish style oat cakes, there will be some similarities, but there's also some differences due to the gluten-free option. I did print out the amounts on the screen for you, so sit back and enjoy this quick video. Now I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I apologize that I'm not talking through it, but I'm battling a bit of a head cold today, and I appreciate your consideration for that. But I did want to get this version out close to the other video so that it would complement each other and it would be good for the people that need to have it gluten-free. There will be a difference in the texture between the gluten-free one and the one that's not gluten-free. This one's a little bit more like a cracker. So thanks so much for watching today. Take care everyone. Happy eating.